Shukor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
President Meghalaya TMC uba Charles Pingrop ulapan remjor ya Sorkar MDA halor ke Jingïaid baklai ki Nonghikai ki bayat Paidbah hene gasngi nagalyang jong loong bakalong ke ek basngau si banyo sngo ya ke ek balaja khmat ke secretariat ya ki Nonghikai bat ki bahayang asem ki balalet ya Paidbah loong ru bau sngo baka Sorkar kala de ban long ka ba Adkar khamtam baki khun ki kiti jong kitei ki Nonghikai ki dan bentalang Uba Pingrop ula ongru ba ka Jingïaid jong ka Sorkar kalalong ka basngau si palan bat ukwa bakum kani kanam ja shu hadian habut shu ru President Meghalaya TMC Students Union usamla bancharai lang Pingrop ula let ban kami bat yang lang ringkat bat ki Nonghikai usamla bancharai lang ula ong ba nagalyang kaseng kalawan hang te ban peni ka jingkershan na ka benta ki Nonghikai ki bala sha pen ibor da ka Sorkar ula ban rab da ka ba ong ba ki Nonghikai kiladan ka jingeki ka basuk bat ka ba jai la palat shibnai baru klem mudur bakum kani ka jingja kanja shu la bu jingkeli ka Sorkar ba manu ban kit kli ya kani ka jingja.
It was very sad to hear and know about the incident that took place today outside the Secretariat, where teachers and their families were protesting, and I feel that the government should have behaved or acted in a more humane manner in dealing with such situations, especially where the families of the teachers were also present. This action of the government is deplorable, to say the least, and my heart goes out to the families of the teachers, their children who had to go through this trauma of having been tear gassed by the police for a cause that was totally called for in their favor. So I would like to see that such actions in future do not occur, irrespective of the situation that is created.
We are here today from the Trinamool Congress Student Union to extend our support to the teachers who were very unexpectedly, we can say, attacked by the government. This is very sad. It really came as a shock to all of us because teachers all this while, for more than 1 month now, they've been protesting peacefully. So we could not foresee such an unfortunate incident like that today, where they shot tear gas, and even young children of these teachers have been injured. This is a very sorry state of affairs, and who is responsible for all of this? This is the question we put forward to the government.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.